The benefits of using fish oil for 30 days. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. The amazing benefits of using fish oil for 30 days. So let's dive right in. Fish oil is a popular supplement known for its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Many studies have shown that incorporating fish oil into your daily routine can have numerous health benefits. But what exactly happens when you use fish oil for 30 consecutive days? Let's find out. Benefit 1. One of the key benefits you can experience after using fish oil for 30 days is improved heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood pressure. These factors combined can greatly reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular well-being. Benefit 2. Another significant benefit you might notice after a month of using fish oil is improved brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health, as they make up a large portion of our brain cells. Research suggests that consistent intake of fish oil can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and even help with conditions like depression and anxiety. Benefit 3. One of the surprising benefits of using fish oil for 30 days is the potential impact on skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids are great for moisturizing the skin from within, reducing dryness and promoting a healthy complexion. Additionally, fish oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate skin conditions like acne and eczema. Benefit 4. Using fish oil consistently for a month may also provide benefits for joint and bone health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation in the joints, potentially easing symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Additionally, fish oil can help maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. In conclusion, incorporating fish oil into your daily routine for 30 days can lead to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, enhanced brain function, better skin, and healthier joints and bones. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplements. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Choosing the right fish oil supplement is important to ensure that you're getting a high-quality product that meets your specific needs. Here are some steps to help you select the right fish oil supplement. 1. Look for purity. Choose a fish oil supplement that is purified to remove contaminants such as mercury, PCBs, and heavy metals. Look for products that are tested by third-party laboratories for purity and quality. 2. Check the omega-3 content. The main reason for taking fish oil is to obtain omega-3 fatty acids. So check the label to ensure that the supplement provides a high concentration of EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These are the two most important types of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil. 3. Consider the source of the fish. The source of the fish used to extract the oil is important. Look for a supplement that uses fish from reputable sources known for their sustainability and low levels of environmental contaminants. 4. Determine the form of the supplement. Fish oil supplements are available in different forms, such as liquid, soft gel, or capsules. Consider your personal preference and how easy it is for you to consume. Some people may prefer liquid fish oil, while others find it easier to take soft gels or capsules. Check for additional nutrients. Some fish oil supplements may also contain additional nutrients like vitamin D or vitamin E. If you have specific nutritional needs or deficiencies, consider choosing a supplement that provides these additional benefits. 6. Consider the dosage and recommended serving size. Check the dosage of EPA and DHA per serving and compare it to your individual needs. The recommended serving size should align with the amount of omega-3 fatty acids you want to consume daily. 7. Read reviews and ratings. Take the time to read reviews and ratings from other consumers to gauge their experiences with the fish oil supplement. Pay attention to feedback regarding taste, smell, and overall effectiveness. 8. Consult your healthcare provider. Before starting any new supplement, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications that may interact with fish oil. Remember, choosing the right fish oil supplement is a personal decision based on your individual needs and preferences. By considering these factors and consulting with your healthcare provider, you can make an informed decision to find the best fish oil supplement for you. While fish oil supplements are generally safe for most people, there can be a few side effects and precautions to consider. 1. Fishy aftertaste or burping. Some individuals may experience a fishy aftertaste or burping after taking fish oil supplements. To minimize this, you can try freezing the capsules or taking the supplement with meals. 2. Blood thinning effect. Fish oil can have a mild blood thinning effect which may increase the risk of bleeding, especially for people taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're on any medications or have a bleeding disorder, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting fish oil supplements. 3. Allergies. Fish oil supplements are usually derived from fish, so if you have a fish allergy, it's essential to choose a fish oil supplement that is sourced from a different type of fish or consider alternative sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as algae-based supplements. 4. Interactions with medications. Fish oil supplements may interact with certain medications, including blood-thinning medications, anti-inflammatory drugs, and certain cholesterol-lowering medications. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider if you're taking any medications to ensure there are no potential interactions. High doses. Taking very high doses of fish oil supplements above the recommended levels can increase the risk of bleeding, suppress the immune system, and may interact with certain medications. It's always best to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the supplement packaging or as advised by your healthcare provider. As with any dietary supplement, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider before starting fish oil supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances and help you make an informed decision.